Colorado boasts a gas V6 3.6 L engine powering this automatic transmission. Trailering package, heavy duty includes trailer hitch and 7-pin connector. Work truck preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, wheels, 16x7, 40.6 cm x 17.8 cm, ultra silver metallic steel, STD. This Chevrolet Colorado features the following options: tires, P265/70 R16 all-season, BLACKWALL, STD, Summit White, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, jet black/dark ASH, cloth Sayat trim, GVWR, 6,000 pounds, 2,722 kg, STD, engine, 3.6 liters DOHC V6 VVT, 308 horsepower, 230.0 kilowatts, at 6,800 revolutions per minute, 275 pounds to foot of torque, 373 Nm, at 4,000 revolutions per minute, STD, differential, automatic locking rear, audio system, Chevrolet MYLINK radio with 7 diagonal color touchscreen, AM/FM stereo with seek and scan and digital clock, includes USB ports, auxiliary jack, Bluetooth streaming audio for music and most phones, featuring Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capability for compatible phone, STD, Windows, power with driver express up and down, wheel, spare, 16x7, 40.6 cm by 17.8 cm, steel, included and only available with LGZ 3.6 liters DIFFERENTIAL V6 engine or LWN 2.8 liters Duramax Turbo-Diesel engine. Standard on crew cab long box models. Stop by today. You've earned this. Stop by Laird Wheaton, located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 to make this car yours today.